Global sea level is rising faster now than it was in 1990s. The sea level rise at the rate of about 1/8 of an inch per year. Examples of sea level rising are the small island nations in the Pacific, for example Maldives. They have the climate of Tropic of Wet. Now what does that mean? We know that these places already have a lot of rainfall, plus the sea level is already high, and that eventually means flooding and other disastrous outcomes such as people losing their homes, food, jobs, and much more. The following picture shows the rise of sea level in Florida and how that will flood Florida in coming years.
Sea levels can rise by two different mechanisms. First, as the oceans warm due to an increasing global temperature, seawater expands, taking up more space in the ocean basin and causing a rise in water level. And this is known as thermal expansion, and that is the fact that water simply takes up more room as it gets warmer. The second mechanism is the melting of ice over land, which then adds water to the ocean. While sea ice exists primarily in the polar regions, it influences the global climate. When warming temperatures gradually melt sea ice over time, fewer bright surfaces are available to reflect sunlight back into the atmosphere. More solar energy is absorbed at the surface, and ocean temperatures rise. This change leads to melting glaciers. Between 1902 and 2009, melting glaciers contributed 11 centimeters to sea level rise. They were therefore the most important cause of sea level rise.
According to the United Nations, it is estimated that 275 million people who live near coastal areas will be affected in 2100. The expansion of water due to higher temperatures will affect mostly Asian cities. Shanghai will be the most affected one, affecting more than 17.5 million people. The melting and damages won't be reversible, even if warming slows down.